Okay, so today we're going to take out the Evo Labs Dashcam. We've got a fairly wet, miserable day, as most days are in Yorkshire. What we're going to do is we're just going to have a quick drive around. Due to the weather, this is probably the most overcast day that's been for quite some time. So it would be good to take the camera out in a day like this. So worst weather, worst possible conditions other than night time. And we're just going to check the quality of the image, how wide the angle is, you know, whether we can see both lanes, etc. And we'll check the quality of the audio as well. I'll be quiet for some of the time just so you can hear whether it picks up differences on road surfaces, different road noises, and hopefully we'll go through or go under a couple of bridges and see if we can check the lighting, how quick it comes back out, picks up the light from a dark area. So lots of traffic lights around here. See if we can let's turn that down a bit. Otherwise we'll have the fan blasting out throughout the entire thing. Let's see what we'll put them back on for a second and check the quality. As I say, worst case scenario, so if it's got the windscreen wipers going and rain, and friendly people changing lanes at short notice. Turn that off. And we'll just nip up here. There we go. Now come onto the bridge. We'll do it on the way back as well. So this road surface changes now. So internally within the car you can hear the difference between the two road surfaces. Hopefully the microphone will pick that up. The camera itself has a particularly good feature that if it senses a knock or a jolt in any way, it will separate that recording and name that recording crash within the recorded system in a folder. Don't change lanes. Be a little bit better because we won't be going through under the bridge at such a speed, so it should pick up the differences in the light a little bit better. So we're going, it's fairly miserable as you can tell, and then we've got dark, so we've still got a car in front of us. We should be able to pick that up on the camera and then back out into the light. Bit of spring water doing its acrobatics in the footwell. And again, we should be able to change road surfaces here. Take this back to the office now, download the footage, put this up online so you guys can see the quality. use this video footage if you need to. Alright, thanks for watching.